All right, guys, so today I want to walk through how to delete your Amazon Prime account. I'm going to walk through this on mobile, but I'm also going to show you how to do it on desktop as well. I'll put timestamps in the description below, so if you need the desktop version, you can skip right to that. If this video is helpful for you, shoot it a like, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and we really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's jump into how to delete your Amazon Prime account. So first we need to open up the Amazon Prime account. And from here, we need to go down to this bottom navigation and we're going to find this account icon and we're going to open that. On this page at the very top, there is a button called account. We're going to select that and it's going to open up this crazy long menu. In the account settings section, we need to find manage Prime membership. We're going to select that. But from this page, we're going to select the manage membership dropdown up here at the top. And that's going to push everything down and it's going to show us our plan, the renewal date, and the manage membership section. We're going to open that. Here we can update and cancel the Prime membership or pause it if we need to. And then we would just select it. And from here, they're going to try to get us to stick around. But if you just scroll down to the bottom, you can continue to cancel. I'm not going to continue to cancel just because I'm not going to cancel my Prime membership, but that is how you get to the cancel option on mobile. Let's hop over to desktop and we can walk through how to do the same thing there. So from the desktop experience, Amazon.com, we are going to open up our account. So how we get to that is on the upper right hand side of the screen. There's a drop down. It's called accounts and lists. Inside of that drop down, there is another list where we'll click on account. So then the next screen, we're going to find the Prime. This is basically where we're going to manage our membership. We'll open that. And at the very top of this page, it's going to tell us what plan we have, when it's going to renew. And this last one is the manage membership section. And we're going to select update, cancel, and more drop down. And here we get to choose whether we want to share, pause our membership, or end the membership. So I'm going to select end membership. Again, just like on mobile, they're going to try to get us to stick around, but since we don't, we will just select continue to cancel here at the bottom. Now, I'm not going to go past this step, but this is how you're going to cancel your Prime membership on the desktop experience. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.